Hi, my name is Chris, and this beauty is the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo, which comes with many great new features, or should I say distinctive highlights. The overall concept of the new Gran Turismo is all about long-distance comfort. Optional adaptive air suspension and executive drive chassis add their fair share. In addition to the functionality, the concept is enhanced by a modern, present, yet elegant design approach. Here we are, in the midst of the action, the design concept. Now, the model you see here is the BMW 640i xDrive with M Sport package in Bernina Gray Amber Effect Metallic, which is one of 7 new exterior colors. Right from the start, you can see that the front has received a proper update. The design is completely self-contained. Now, with a more edgy and distinctive kidney grille, the new Gran Turismo has a striking look that widens outwards and towards the road. And if you opt for the BMW individual high-gloss shadow line with extended contents, then you can get the kidney grille and bars in all black also. The new design language flows smoothly over into the front headlights with the L-shaped tubes. Now, they create a sharper, more angular expression, which fits perfectly to the new laser light technology with up to 650 meters of range. Due to the improved performance of the headlights, some of you might have noticed they got rid of the fog lights. Also worth mentioning is the front bumper, which presents itself with a facelift and a new crucial design language. With a slope-like roofline, the side is overflowing with coupe-like elegance. And there are also 4 new wheel designs to choose from, like these 20-inch 817M you see here, which underline the entire design concept. Another highlight are the M Sport brakes, here in blue, which are also available in red. More modern and cleaned up. That's the first impression when facing the back. And just like the front bumper, the rear bumper has also been slightly redesigned, now featuring 2 freeform tailpipes regardless of the engine capacity. By the way, they're also available in chrome black for the Shadowline option with extended contents. Looking for your car key once again? Digital Key takes care of that problem. Simply lock and unlock your BMW by using your smartphone. Now you get inside and relaxation kicks in automatically. And it immediately becomes clear why the new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is the perfect travel companion. Generously spacious, luxurious comfort, and a bespoke material selection. The center control received an update with a high-gloss black finish. And also new is the lighter contrast stitching on the Sensatech instrument panel. Everywhere I look, elegance. I mean, look at the Napa leather and white ivory over here. And especially this model here features one of 2 new design trims, fine wood, ash gray, brown high gloss. What more could you need? Well, maybe you'd like ergonomically positioned displays and controls. That'd be quite nice, eh? Especially with the 12.3-inch center information display and the 12.3-inch instrument cluster with Live Cockpit Professional as a standard, it provides the driver with an optimum ease of operation. And so that your passengers feel really comfortable, the rear seats are of course also adjustable. The rear seat entertainment professional with 2 tiltable, independent 10.2-inch touchscreens keep your passengers well entertained at all times. If you like the sun shining on your shoulders and the stars shining from above, then you will definitely love the panoramic glass roof in your new BMW 6 Series. Whether for short or long journeys, you will no longer want to drive without connectivity features. And with the new Gran Turismo, you won't miss out. Equipped with the BMW Operating System 7, you can use your time in the car in the most suitable way. With extended speech control, the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant can now help control even more vehicle functions. You could ask to switch to sport mode, for example, or open a window or the shades. Check this out. Hey BMW, please open the driver's window.
Okay, I will open the driver's window.
Another great service is the smartphone integration. We are now launching Android Auto, so you can conveniently use your smartphone in your BMW without the hassle of cables. Now, the central information display guarantees full screen joy using the same icons as on your mobile device, and they work in the same way too. Now, since we all know how important it is to keep your eyes on the road while driving without being distracted, we've now also integrated route guidance into the instrument cluster and also the head-up display, while using Google Maps, for example. And of course, your favorite speech assistant is on board as well. Also new, BMW Maps, a new cloud-based navigation for the BMW operating system 7, which is quicker, more precise, super easy, and intuitive to use. In fact, it's just as quick and easy as the navigation apps you would usually use on your smartphone. Now, we all know how great driver assistance systems are, right? One of my favorites, the reversing assistant. Now, this one helps to get out of tight parking spots or also to maneuver when space is limited. It's happened to all of us. You missed the exit. Well, with active navigation, that won't happen again because your BMW automatically recognizes the necessary upcoming lane changes and you can simply stay en route. Another very important new feature is the emergency lane assistant. It guarantees that you automatically form an emergency lane because your BMW will automatically steer to the edge of the lane to create space for emergency vehicles. And if that's not enough, you can add even more via digital after-sales offers, which allows you to easily bring in new functions into your car. For example, the drive recorder. Designed not to just fit the driver and the passenger, but to suit them. The new BMW 6 Series Gran Turismo is muscular, bold, and elegant, all at the same time, and just waiting for you to take it on a grand tour.